Are you waking up every morning already tired? Dreading another day at your job? Stuck in traffic? Stuck in meetings? Stuck in a cycle that feels like it'll never end? If you've ever thought, there has to be more than this, you're not alone. And the truth is, there is. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to escape your 9-to-5 job in 2025. No fluff, no fake guru promises, just real, practical steps to build freedom and income on your terms. So if you're ready to stop surviving and start designing your life, stay with me. Let's begin. Right now, the world is shifting. We're living in a time where technology is opening doors faster than ever before. Thanks to AI, remote work, online business models, and social media, it's now easier to break free from the system if you know what you're doing. But most people stay stuck, not because they're lazy, but because they don't have a plan. Let's fix that. Step 1. Build your exit plan. Before quitting your job or launching anything risky, create a simple, realistic plan. You don't have to figure everything out at once, but you do need direction. Start by asking yourself 3 questions. What kind of life do I want in 12 months? How much money do I need to live freely? What skill or value can I offer others? Once you've got clarity, set a financial runway. Ideally, save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Why? Because freedom isn't free. It's earned with preparation. Step 2. Choose your path to income. Here's where things get exciting. There are now more ways than ever to earn online. But you need to stay focused. Pick one path and stick to it for at least 90 days. Here are 3 beginner-friendly models you can start in 2025. 1. Freelancing with AI-enhanced skills. If you can write, edit, research, or design, tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Notion AI can 5 times your productivity. Start by offering services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly on Twitter and LinkedIn. 2. E-commerce or one-product dropshipping. You don't need 100 products. Find one winning item, build a simple Shopify store, and learn how to create content on TikTok or Instagram Reels to promote it. 3. Digital products or templates. Do you know how to make resumes, ebooks, planners, or Notion templates? People buy digital tools that save time. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. Remember, done is better than perfect. Take messy action. Step 3. Become visible and valuable. No matter which path you pick, one thing is key. People must know you exist. You can be the most skilled freelancer or have the best product in the world, but if no one sees you, you don't get paid. So here's what to do. Start posting valuable content in your niche. Talk about what you're learning. Document your journey. Help others with your knowledge. Post consistently on TikTok, Twitter, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be real. You'd be surprised how fast people find you when you show up every day. Common mistakes that kill progress. Most people never escape their job because they fall into one of these traps. They try too many things at once and quit all of them halfway. They wait to feel ready, and that day never comes. Or worse, they spend months watching YouTube videos about success, but never take action themselves. You're not like that. You're here because you want more. So here's what I want you to remember. You don't need permission. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. And stay consistent. Final thoughts. Freedom in 2025 is a choice. Escaping your 9-to-5 job won't happen overnight, but it will happen if you commit. Start building one skill. Launch one offer. Post one piece of content, help one person, and do it again tomorrow. If you start today, imagine where you'll be 12 months from now. Let me know in the comments, what's the one step you'll take this week? And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more content like this, and share it with someone else stuck in the system.